Hello guys, welcome to AK Tech. Here I'm Akshay back with another video. Today I'm gonna tell you how to install Xposed Installer on Lollipop devices. So let's get started. So you must be rooted user and custom recovery must be installed on your phone. You have to download some three files. The link is given in description. So just download that three files and paste it to your internal storage. I have already pasted the three files to my internal storage. So paste it. After that, you have to go to your recovery mode. Press volume button and reboot to your recovery mode. Wait until the rebooting to recovery mode. So guys, after successfully rebooting to your recovery mode, you have to just follow some step. After that, you have to just click on install. Locate your files where you have pasted that files. So in my case is in internal storage. As you can see here, you have to flash one file, that exposed version 79 sdk 22.zip, and conform to swipe to flash. Wait for the flashing process. After successfully flashed, you have to just click on the reboot system. It will take some time to reboot. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to reboot your phone, so be patient. So after successfully rebooting your phone, you have to follow some other steps that are most important step. So just I have unlocked my phone, and you have to go to file explorer where you have pasted that file. So you have to just install that Xposed installer.apk. So just install it. After installation of that apk, just click on framework. Okay, as you can see, the framework is now activated. The Xposed installer is now successfully installed. So go back and check out the download list. Here are the number of modules which you can use to customize your phone as your own. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video, hope you like it. And I am making the videos on another modules, so please check out that. Please subscribe to my channel, hope you like it. Here Akshay signing off. Thank you guys.